So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video would tell you about the multiple job opportunities that are there for the freshers as well as for the experience in the field of software testing, as well as will share with you some other images as well, some other testing job opportunities images as well. So let me share my screen. So one of the image based, yeah, it's of Bevo Technology. So they are hiring for SDET and there are multiple opportunities for SDET. So they are looking for SDET 1 to 5 years, 2 to 5 years SDET, then software engineer SDET 3 to 6 years. Then you can see software engineer automation 3 to 6 years. And then other opportunities with respect to machine learning, WordPress, Java are also there. But with respect to SDET, you can see 1 to 8 years. And with respect to software engineer automation, the opportunities is for 3 to 6 years of experience. So good amount of opportunities. Apart from that, the Chickmix Studios is also hiring. So they are hiring for QA automation. So these are the details for them. So they are hiring for QA automation, someone who's having 3+ years of experience, AI engineer, Python 5+ years, and you can apply at this email address, or you can also WhatsApp at this particular number itself. Then there's a role for the QA automation engineer, and let me share the details with you. Right, so it's a remote role, and the experience required is 4+ years. The shift would be evening shift, 5:30 p.m. to 2:30 a.m. They are looking for someone who can join immediately, and they are looking for someone who has got skill set in automation testing, proficiency in Playwright framework and JavaScript language, experience in Node.js development, black box and white box backend testing, UI automation and API automation, closely interact with the different time zones, with the teams in different time zones. And this is the email address. Airtel is also looking for SDET. So the position is SDET, location is Pune, experience 1 to 4 years, and you can send your resume at this email address. Then there's a requirement for testing team, senior tester, lead tester, 6 to 8 years of experience, test engineers, and trainee 0 to 1 year of experience. Location is Navi Mumbai, and employment type is third party payroll, and it would be 5 days in office. Then Capgemini is hiring for freshers. So they are hiring for software engineers 2025-2026 freshers. And qualification is BE, BTech, ME, MTech, all specializations, experiences. No experience required since a fresher opportunity. And location is Pan India. Last date to submit this details is 5th of September. Can apply here. Then there is a requirement for QA engineers, experience 2 to 3 years, and the location is Ahmedabad, and you can apply over here. Then there is a requirement for Java developer freshers. Location is Noida, Sector 57. Experience is freshers, 0 to 1 years. Role will be of Java development, and you can apply at this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for QA. Again, location is Pune, UK, US shift, 5 days working. Saturday, Sunday would be off. And this is one of the performance marketing agency, Candor Works, and they are looking for 1 to 2 years of experience as a QA, and you can apply at this particular email address. Then there is a requirement for manual testers, and the experience required is 4+ years. Type is project-based contract. Location is Bangalore. Strong knowledge of SDLC, STLC is required, and interested candidates can share their profiles at this email address. Then there is a requirement for manual test engineer, API testing, and location is Gurgaon. Experience 2 to 4 years, and you can email your resume at this email. Okay. Then one more requirement is there with respect to location Kolkata, and the requirement is for the software test engineer, manual tester. And with respect to Surat also, it is that manual tester again. And the timings would be 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., 5 days working, manual testing, and test cases reporting, .NET testing is more preferred. And you can send your CV at this email address, or you can also WhatsApp at this particular number. So these are all the job opportunities for the testers, freshers, as well as experience we shared with you. And you can apply over these particular opportunities today itself. And we try our level best that these are not the paid jobs. So if anyone is asking you to pay something, to pay some X amount for getting the job opportunity or some kind of referral, then please stay away from those particular things, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.